Do you need a few creative ideas? We'll show you how to make cool decorating items out of available materials. How to decorate a blank glass? Put on a few elastic bands. You can cross them and put on at various levels. Color the glass using a sponge and acrylic paint. Wait until dry, then remove the elastics. The areas covered with the bands are left unpainted. The glass has got an interesting design. You can keep your cocktail straws in it, or use it as a makeup brush holder, or put your school supplies in it. You can use such a simple method of painting for a thin vase or mug decoration. Are you keen on natural crafts? Let's decorate the glass with sprigs. Put on 2 elastics, move them down, fasten the sprigs with the elastics. Place them in a row without gaps. Embellish with dry flowers. Secure the stems with the elastics, or hot glue the flowers to the sprigs. Cover the elastics with twine. Attach it with the hot glue. Wrap around several times. Hot glue each coil. Fasten the end. This fabulous eco decor can be a perfect table decoration. You can also use it as a school supply or makeup brush holder. If you put a candle inside, you'll get a smart candle holder. Have you ever seen pictures from colored elastics? No? Then let's make it right now. Draw a butterfly on the cardboard. Cut out the elastics. Apply a thin strip of glue along the wing edge. Attach the elastic. Press down carefully across the entire length. Repeat for the second wing. Use another color. Continue gluing the elastics. Add one at a time. Cut off the excess. Cover the wings with the elastics. We've got the charming butterfly from the unusual material. It'll be a cute decoration for your room. The stunning candle holders will help us create a cozy atmosphere during the holiday. We'll need grains of different colors and shapes, clear glasses of various size, and candles. Choose dark grains for the first layer. Linseeds will do. Alternate with white rice and red lentils. Add chickpeas, mung beans, millet grains, and green peas on top. Put in a candle. It's a quick and easy way to make gorgeous candle holders. In this tutorial, we'll show how to make a scented heart-shaped earring holder. We'll need an old wood board, 7 inches by 13 inches. We have sanded it beforehand just to make it a bit smooth. Be careful to keep the old wood pattern safe. Aromatic oil, choose the scent you like. Red synthetic thread, a paper sheet, and decorative ball head nails. Put a bit of aromatic oil onto a cloth. Smudge the board all over. The oil stains the wood, protects from rot, and scents with your favorite aroma. You can use any oil without scent as well. Smear over the sides. Coat the back side. Let the oil absorb. Fold paper in half. Measure out 8.5 inches across the crease. Mark 2.5 inches upwards. Outline a heart shape following the marks. Cut out the template with scissors. Unfold the heart. Place it onto the board. The size fits well. Trace the heart. Hit a nail in the lowest heart shape point. Leave about 2/8 inches above the surface. Hit another nail at about 1 inch beyond the first one on the heart outline. Continue hitting the nails in equal intervals across the heart shape. Start winding thread on the top central heart nail. Fasten the thread by tying a knot. Join the nails at random to wrap all the elements. Try to distribute the threads more or less evenly. Okay, all the nails are wrapped. Cut off the thread holding the end. Tie a knot. Cut off the excess. Freight check the end. Now, shift the thread closer to the nail heads to hang the earrings easily. Cool! The awesome heart-shaped wooden earring holder will keep your jewelry safe and scent a room with your favorite aroma. Do you need an eco-style photo frame to make your room look totally awesome? Take wooden sticks and the hot glue. We'll show you how to make it easily. Take 2 parallel coffee stirrers and attach another 2 to shape a square. Repeat to make a few layers. Measure out the inside length. Snip off the excess. Make a few sticks in the same way. Take scrapbook paper of square size and attach the sticks to both sides of the same edge. It's time for pictures! Choose the photos you like and attach them to the paper. Put them into the frame. Enjoy your favorite photos in a lovely eco frame. We often use jars in the interior design projects. It's simple and low-priced and inspires a lot of home decorating ideas. Let's see what we can do with the jar and decorative tape. Attach a couple of stripes to turn it into something new. But this tape is quite expensive. Use our hack to make it yourself. Take masking tape. Attach it to glossy or parchment paper or plastic board. Later on, you'll be able to remove it easily. Color the tape with the acrylic paints. Just mix bold colors to get a pattern. Let it dry. The first coat is ready. Shake the brush to add some random paint drops. The ordinary tape has become a stunning design item. Cut it out to decorate whatever you want. Remove the tape from the paper to attach to some other surface. You can shape it like you wish. You'll need some patience to get a unique pattern. We can make a smart desk pen holder, a vase, or a candle holder. This tutorial is about how to turn an ordinary glass vase into a stylish interior decoration. We'll need a blank glass vase, beads of 2 colors, we've chosen cool shades, light pearl beads, white synthetic rope, and a thin chocolate brown cord. Add some hot glue to the upper part of the vase. Attach the rope end and press over. Snip off the end and thread a bead. Wind the rope around the vase. Thread a bead of another color. Pass the end through the coil. Add hot glue to the rope crossing and press down. Cut off the excess. Continue wrapping the vase. Add beads. Keep in mind that the beads should be evenly distributed around the rope. Hot glue the end to the rope. Take the dart cord, attach to the rope at the upper part. Wind around the vase, adding beads. Be careful to hot glue the cord several times while wrapping. Attach the rest of the beads to the vase where needed. Look at what we have designed. Cool! The smart glass vase decorated with rope cords and beads will become a true design element. We look forward to your comments. Join us and subscribe to our channel to find lots of awesome ideas of how to decorate your home. Feel like a designer and let's decorate together!